Well done everyone, Young Lives Against Cancer. Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to another sunny Weston-super-Mare. It's always sunny in the West Country. Anyone who lives here knows that. Special day today. This vlog is to celebrate my acquisition of 100 subscribers. I'm over 100. And what I'd like to do is first of all give a few shout outs. Stay with me, there's not too many. These are for people that have supported me, given me help, information, feedback. And really done all the good things that new motovloggers need to be able to increase growth in their channel and just feel a little bit more like it's worthwhile. So in no particular order, but this one is first and foremost. 6-gear motorcycles, absolute legends. Grizz and Taffy, they've been so supportive, given me plenty of information, plenty of help with all sorts of things. How to run the channel, how to sort out the video footage, editing, what to add, what to take out. Been really good, really supportive. They give me a couple of shout outs on their channel. I did a cameo appearance on Grizz's last video, and they've been brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I'd like to thank them. And then, like I say, no particular order, but these guys are brilliant, and if I forget anyone, I apologise. What people have to bear in mind is when you motovlog in this style, you don't have a script to go by. It's all in your head. And I'm afraid at my age, my head doesn't work as well as it used to. But listen, Saddlebag 73, you're a legend. Great content, cracking video, superb channel. Epic Adam Motovlogs, again, same story. Did a joint vlog with him back in the early part of the summer. Let me ride his Suzuki Bandit. I think only because I let him ride my Ducati Monster, but it was an absolute pleasure to spend some time down there. Top guy. Mr. G 1965. What a great channel that is. Whether you're into bikes or not, just get over there and subscribe, because he's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Howie 702, another new channel very similar to mine, gave me a shout out a few weeks back, and I really appreciated it. Got some subscribers from it, and I watch his videos, and he's a funny guy. From this area as well, lived here a while back. And a couple of special mentions to a few channels that are properly settled. I mean, they've already got it going on, but what they are is supportive to new motovloggers with information, feedback, and that's the only way to improve. So I'd like to give a mention to Gesto and Lane. Gesto, get well soon, can't wait to see you back on the bike, back on 2 wheels and back on the camera. Hippodrones, which has cracking content and some stunning looking bikes. And username Kate, who's brilliant at what she does. Some of her track day videos leave me in absolute awe of what she can do and how she handles the bike. And she's given me some feedback which helped out massively recently. A new biker, another new channel, about the same amount of subscribers as me, but really good at giving feedback. Likes to communicate, leave messages, what does work, what doesn't work. So get along and subscribe to his channel. So I know I've forgotten a few guys, and I do apologise. The ones I have forgotten I will add a link to at the end. But you guys, I really appreciate everything that you do. So I'm heading off now somewhere a little bit different, to park up, go through something, explain a few bits, and then we'll talk about the 100 subscriber giveaway and a product that I'm going to recommend to you. The recommendation was given to me by my very good friend Nick, who's been in a previous video, one of my early ones, where he just bought a Yamaha MT125. Now, much as he liked that bike, it didn't last long. He traded it in back at Fowler's for a new Yamaha MT-07, and he's actually taking his full test in 2 weeks' time. Okay, so here we are at Banwell Castle. Now, there's a good reason why we're here, and the reason we're here is, unless you live somewhere like this with these walls and these gates, you're likely to be concerned about something called bike theft, which we all have to worry about at some time or another. Because even, to be fair, if you do live somewhere like this, you still have to go out and park the bike somewhere. So what I'm going to talk about is bike security. Stay with me. There's a reward at the end of this for every single one of you, because the information could be priceless. So when you secure your bike, there's several ways of doing it. You've got the anti-theft device, like this, or even this. Unfortunately, mine looks like this, so I can't rely on her to stop someone stealing my bike. You then have the option to use an electronic alarm system with an immobiliser fitted, and they're great. Get reductions on insurances, which is brilliant. However, anyone who's ever worked on bike electrics will know that there are, shall we say, concerns that go along with it. Water ingress, poor electrics depending on which brand of bike you actually buy. But yeah, there's several things that can... Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Shorts, oh dear. There's several things that can cause issues with the electronic alarms that you attach to it. So here we have the best of both worlds. Now, this is not an anti-theft device. What this is a theft deterrent. So what you're going to do is pop along to Amazon. You're going to give them less than £15 of your own money, and you're going to get a motorbike alarm. And I'm going to show you how it fits. You take your seat off, or any other panel that you would like to take off. You take it out of the box and you zip tie it to a solid part of the bike frame or body. Then what you do is you take the remote and you press a button. Almost sounds too simple. It sounds like that was... Let me just go through that again. So you take the seat off, you fit that, and you have a remote. Okay, so I'm confusing myself now because I'm sure there was something else. Ah, yeah, there was something else. I had to put a little plastic tab out of there so that the battery connection is there. So yes, it is battery operated, but the batteries are dead easy to replace. I've had mine fitted now for the last 2 months, and I've had no issues with the batteries running down. They do say that with normal use they'll work for about 6 months, and I fully believe it. So how good is it? You've got to be thinking less than £15, just held on by a couple of zip ties, which by the way you can fit anywhere in the bike. So if you want to take the tank off to make it more difficult to get to, you can do. So how does it operate? Well, there's the difficult bit. What you have to do is manoeuvre your finger to a point where you press that button. Now you may not have heard that, it's quite light, but that's only because I've got my helmet on and the mic's inside the helmet. So there's a second beep which you might have just heard, that sets it. That now is set and alarmed. So what happens if anyone comes across and touches the bike? It gives you a warning. That warning then will, after 30 seconds, just forget about it. If they try and move it again within the 30 seconds, it sets an alarm off. Now it might not sound like much, but if it's in the dead of night and that's in your garage or that's next to your house or out your back garden, you're going to hear it. And that's how simple it is. Now here's the killer bit of information. I'm going to give away one of those free of charge as a prize for my 100 subscriber giveaway video. And it is so simple to be in the opportunity of winning it. You don't even need to like this video. Just share it and leave a comment. And in the comment must be the words, "Good luck, Nick." And what I will do is I will pull the name out of the hat in about a week's time, and then that person will get a message and I will forward them my email address at Western Super Motor Vlogs, and if they wish to, they can send me their address and I'll post it to them, fully international if need be, because we are an international channel. So it really is that simple, guys. Move to a castle, or buy an alarm for your bike, or be really lucky and win an alarm for the bike. Take care, have a good one, and I will very much see you on the flip side.